Hey, what is why? Oh, good God. No, you put way more hairspray this time.
Yeah, you did about 2 seconds, but I think it's also the
No, I think no, you put way more hairspray. God help us. That was what? How many times did that take? Like 10? And then you put the cap right on. Okay, Jamie, stand here. It's safe here, dude.
Okay, you got it?
I got it. I'm recording this chaos. Yeah, I got it on video.
Let's try some accuracy.
Yeah, try to get it.
Do not. Oh, that didn't fly very far. I saw it fly.